Everyone, this is tapioka. Wash it and cut into like this. Sprinkle some salt, mix together. Steam them about 20 minutes in the high fire. Meanwhile, we prepare, this one is from half coconut I grated and I sprinkle some salt on top. Mix them together and steam for about 2 minutes to stop getting spoiled. You know, this coconut is very fast to getting spoiled. To stop them, we have to steam. Okay, let's check. It's 20 minutes done. It's soft. Okay, we take out. We replace in the bowl like this. Wow, mix them together. Mix together. Campur-campur dalam semuanya. Okay. This is tapioka kerawu. Indonesia call singkong kerawu. Let's make it and try. Let your family try my old recipe. How my mother make this one from my family when I was young. Don't forget to try at home. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see my other recipe below. Bye bye. See you next time in my next video.